Welcome to lecture number 14. Lecture number 13 में we started the concept of ABC activity based costing and we did an example as well. Now we'll go into further details of ABC. As we looked and did in lecture number 13, आपने देखा ही होगा कि जो when we use the traditional costing, by traditional costing I mean the traditional way of calculating the predetermined overhead rate. So it is uniform for the whole plant, or it is uniform for the whole company. But when we use the activity-based costing, the overhead rate varies according to the cost driver that we have chosen. So for AB bench, using ABC, the overhead is 17, and for AB coaster using the activity-based costing, the overhead is 95, and when we use the traditional costing, it is again 30 because it is same in case of traditional costing. So आप देखेंगे कि when we are using multiple predetermined rates, in fact, then we are using the activity-based costing. एंड जो आपकी ट्रेडिशनल वन है उसकी वजह से आपकी जो यूनिट कॉस्ट होती है उसमें देयर इज अ सिग्निफिकेंट डिस्टॉर्शन. मतलब इट यू नो gives you, it does not give you the true picture. For example, जो आपका AB bench था उसमें when you were using the ABC, so आपकी जो total cost per unit थी वो थी 69. जब आप ट्रेडिशनल कॉस्टिंग करते थे तो वो थी 82. So using the, if we compare the traditional with ABC, so there was an overstatement of $13. And when we compare in case of AB coaster, so the understatement is 65. So there's a big distortion when you are using the traditional costing. The main motive of using activity-based costing is that it gives you a much better and accurate picture of overhead costs that are involved in the production process. Now, what are the benefits of activity-based costing? The primary benefit of ABC is more accurate product costing, as we have covered in the example. And why does it lead to more accuracy? ABC leads to more cost pools being used to assign overhead cost to products instead of one plant-wide pool or even departmental pool and a single cost driver, which is the case of traditional costing. Companies use numerous activity cost pools with more relevant cost drivers. Costs are assigned more directly on the basis of the cost drivers used to produce each product. For example, if अगर एक department में उसमें आपकी machine hours are have a direct correlation with the overhead cost, तो वहां पे आप machine hours को use करेंगे as your drive cost factor for the overhead rate determination. अगर आप देखेंगे कि आप एक डिपार्टमेंट में आपके setups have a much bigger correlation with the overhead that you incur, तो वहां पे आप number of setups को use करेंगे. So what ABC does, it leads to more cost pools, जिनकी वजह से आपकी एक्यूरेट प्रोडक्ट कॉस्टिंग में आपको मदद मिलती है. वाई? बिकॉज आपकी जो इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट है, जिनको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ओवरहेड कहते हैं, विच आर वेरी हार्ड टू कैलकुलेट एक्यूरेटली, वो एबीसी में उनकी एक्यूरेसी बढ़ जाती है कंपेयर टू ट्रेडिशनल. ABC leads to enhanced control over overhead cost. Under ABC, companies can trace many overhead costs directly to activities, allowing some indirect costs to be identified as direct costs. Thus, managers have become more aware of their responsibility to control the activities that generate these costs. होता क्या है कि when we are using activity based costing, आपकी जो पिक्चर होती है related to the overhead cost that you are incurring in the department, वो it becomes easier to understand. उसकी वजह से बहुत सी जो आपकी indirect cost होती है उसको आप as direct cost लेना शुरू कर देते हैं, because it becomes much more easy and accurate to calculate. ABC leads to better management decision because आपकी costing is correct. So you know which products to which products are giving you a loss. अगर तो आप ये देखेंगे कि उनमें आपकी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ओवरहेड है it has increased, it means के the company is not efficient when it comes to producing that product. So when you use ABC, आपको it gives you a clear picture of कहाँ पे कितना ओवरहेड आपका इनकर हो रहा है, और जो आपका एस्टिमेटेड था एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर, यू कैन कंपेयर इट विद द एक्चुअल टू फिगर आउट कि किस डिपार्टमेंट में आपकी वीकनेस है और कहाँ पे आपको किस किस्म की इम्प्रूवमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट है. आया यू हैव टू increase the productivity of the labor, or you have to make sure that you use less of the direct material. Then you have limitations of activity-based costing. ABC can be expensive to use. The increased cost of identifying multiple activities and applying numerous cost drivers discourages many companies from using ABC. Then in this case, you have to look at the cost benefit analysis कि आपका कितना benefit आ रहा है from implementing ABC. और उससे रिलेटेड आपकी कॉस्ट कितनी आएगी. तो ऑब्वियसली इफ यू फील दैट इट विल कॉस्ट यू अ लॉट टू इम्प्लीमेंट द एक्टिविटी बेस्ड कॉस्टिंग विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, देन यू विल नॉट बी वेरी विलिंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट दिस मेथड. फिर आपकी जो एलोकेशंस होती हैं, वेदर वी यूज द ट्रेडिशनल वंस और वी यूज द एक्टिविटी बेस्ड कॉस्टिंग, लेकिन आपने देखा होगा कि जो आपकी वॉल्यूम बेस्ड कॉस्ट ड्राइवर हैं, जैसे डायरेक्ट लेबर आवर्स है और मशीन आवर्स, वो आपके they are still being used whether you are using the traditional one or the activity based. So there are some limitations related to activity based costing. Now, when to use activity-based costing? How does a company know when to use activity-based costing? The presence of one or more of the following factors would point to its possible use. Product lines differ greatly in volume and manufacturing complexity. When you are producing a lot of product lines, हर product line में आपके different products हैं, तो obviously because each product is unique in its manufacturing process, तो उसके लिए you will end up using a different cost pool. तो वैसे में ABC costing is recommended that you should go for activity based costing. Product lines are numerous and diverse and they require different degrees of support services. आपकी जो product lines हैं वो diverse हैं. Each product line में you have many products related to it. Overhead costs constitute a significant portion of total cost. Total manufacturing cost, as we have discussed earlier as well, is your direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. So when you see that manufacturing overhead has become a big chunk of the total manufacturing cost, then obviously it is recommended to implement ABC, because this way you will be able to control your overhead cost, which is a major portion of the total cost that you incur. The manufacturing process or the number of products has changed significantly, for example, from labor intensive to capital intensive due to automation. जैसे जैसे आपके कंपनीज में मशीन्स ज्यादा यूज होनी शुरू हो गई, तो आपके केवल कैपिटल इंटेंसिव आपकी प्रोडक्शन हो गई है इंस्टेड ऑफ लेबर इंटेंसिव. तो जब व्हेन यू हैव कैपिटल इंटेंसिव way of manufacturing, so obviously it is much more confusing and much more complex to calculate the overhead cost accurately. So ऐसे में you should go for ABC. Production or marketing managers are ignoring data provided by the existing system and are instead using bootleg costing data or other alternative data when pricing or making other product decisions. इसका मतलब है कि when the managers are they are not using the traditional system well, and they have not been able to adjust their traditional system according to the requirements of the company, then it is recommended that you should go for the activity based costing, so that you do not uh, lose revenue in form of lost profits, or you do not incur cost that maybe you're selling a product which is costing you more than what you think it is. So this is the end of lecture number 14.